Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends or family. All right, let's begin. First, create an account on Temu using Google, email, Facebook, Apple, or your phone number. New users automatically receive a coupon code and a free welcome gift. For the best experience, download the Temu app on iPhone or Android as it unlocks extra features and rewards. Once your account is set up, go to the Earn Free Gifts and Cash section. Temu allows users to claim free items without referrals. You can find these offers by searching for Temu free items and giveaways in the app or on the website. Some of these items have resale value, allowing you to earn cash for other purchases. Another way to earn free items is by playing Temu's in-app games under Earn Free Gifts. These games offer rewards without requiring referrals early on, but at higher levels, you may need to share links to continue unlocking prizes. The difficulty increases as you progress, but rewards like discounts and free items make it worthwhile. So that is basically how you can get free stuff on Temu without inviting friends or family. And that is it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.